Good day everyone. So for today, let's have another tutorial. And for today, let me teach you on how to retrieve your deleted FB page. So in order to do that, you just need first to log in on your FB personal account. And then after that, kindly click on the right side, your profile, and then kindly scroll down and then click settings and privacy. After that, click settings and then kindly scroll down and kindly go to audience and visibility. Now under audience and visibility, you have here the options pages. Now once you click that pages, there will be an option here reactivate your pages. And now you may now view all your deleted FB page. However, take note that you can only reactivate pages that was deleted uh, for not more than 1 month, because if you delete your Facebook page, you only have 30 days to retrieve it. So again, you can reactivate your pages that is you deleted it for not more than 1 month. Okay, so you can reactivate. So for example here, the MIDI fan karaoke scheduled for deletion, 30 days left. So after 30 days it will be automatically deleted. So you can reactivate it. Just simply click reactivate and then click that reactivate, and then automatically are reactivated. So you may now control it once again. So that will be your FB, that will be your FB page already. It's okay already.